Hey YouTube, today I'll be showing you my Baby Birdy Bird. This is something I got from a charity shop for 50p, and it's by, if you can see, 1999 ABL Innovation Co Limited. And yeah, I saw it and I thought it looked like a Furby, and then I looked it up and it's actually like a Furby fake. So it has like a thing here you can like tie on something. It also has a pull thing. Battery packs in the bottom. There's a button here I noticed, and when you pull it on, it makes some noises, and it will keep going for like 20 minutes, and that would go to sleep. So I'll show you some of the functions in action as we do this. So here we go. So yeah, that was a video of the Baby Birdy Bird. So yeah, thanks for watching YouTube. Bye.